So we are going to go for lunch, and this place is a place we wanted to go to a few days ago. Unfortunately, they were still doing renovations, but it looks like they're open again, and we are so happy. So where are we going, Kelly?
Ruben's.
Ruben's. Ruben's has gotten a lot of praise from some of the people I've seen on different Facebook groups, locals and tourists alike. So apparently the food's good, the food's cheap, and so we are quite excited to go in there and check it out and enjoy our lunch.
Yeah, they were doing renovations just a couple of days ago.
Yeah, and they're done already, so it's yeah, they're very fast. So let's go see what it's like. Oh, Taco Tuesday. Today's Monday.
Oh, they have ground beef too.
Yeah, some of the tacos here have strips of beef. You want fish tacos? I missed it. He was doing some pretty good dance moves to this song. Yeah. There we go.
What is grill sauce?
Oh,
Grill sauce.
oh, this is a roasted tomato sauce. It's really good. It's roasted tomato sauce. This is tomato, chili. It's really good.
Sounds good, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have the crispy tacos.
Crispy tacos. Sure.
And I'll have your chicken chimichanga.
Chicken chimichanga.
Chicken chimichanga. Yeah, gracias.
We have chimichangas at home from Costco.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And your name's Caesar, right?
Yes.
Yes, gracias. So Callie ordered the 3 crispy beef tacos.
Well, they come with
Oh, ground beef, yeah. And I ordered the chicken chimichangas. So Callie's a little sad. Unfortunately, they're out of ground beef at the moment, so she couldn't have her crispy tacos with ground beef. But she is getting the crispy tacos with chicken instead, and I'm sure they're going to be quite good. She was just kind of craving ground beef. All right, so we got our food. So far, it looks good. So I just finished my chimichanga, and it was huge. It was big, just totally stuffed, and the fried nice. It was really, really good, and priced right. And I'll tell you, the guacamole. Before I started coming to Mexico, I never liked guacamole because however they make it in Canada, it just isn't the same. But the guacamole here, I almost wanted to ask for more. It was so good.
Well, my 3 crispy tacos were very delicious. I was disappointed in the beginning because they did not have ground beef. But I got over it very quickly, and the chicken was very delicious. And it also had cheddar cheese. They had a tomato sauce that kind of actually tastes a little bit like tomato soup with spices in it. And lettuce, and they had a side order of sour cream, which I kind of like because it's kind of how we do it back home. But it was still really good, and the chicken was delicious, and it was very filling. 3 tacos made it sound like a lot, but it really is a lot because I usually don't eat more than 2 or 3 at home anyway. So I'm quite full. It was delicious.
Would you recommend this place?
Oh, definitely. Yeah, it's and the atmosphere is nice too. It's nice and cool.
Nice staff.
Here. And the staff was very nice. What was his name?
Caesar.
Caesar, yeah, he's a funny guy. It's nice in here. I like it. I think we come back another time for maybe breakfast or supper. Yeah, I like it. Come here, it's nice. Thumbs up.